This is the supplementary video for the paper titled Fluoroscopy-Constrained, Magnetic Robot Control via Zernike-Based Field Modeling and Nonlinear MPC. Fluoroscopic X-ray imaging provides noisy feedback at relatively low frame rates. Existing control methods for electromagnetic actuation systems fail to provide accurate control when tracking feedback is noisy and in low rate. This study mainly focuses on addressing this challenge. 2 workspaces were used in this study, an unobstructed workspace for experiments with the magnet robot and a spine phantom workspace for experiments with the drug robot. 5 experiments were conducted to progressively validate the proposed control method's capability for fluoroscopy-guided drug delivery in spine. First, the magnet robot was controlled to follow a S-shaped trajectory. In the right figure, the blue curve is the measured robot trajectory, and the red curve is the nonlinear MPC predicted trajectory, demonstrating accurate pose estimation by an MPC. The magnet robot was subsequently controlled under varying tracking feedback rate. Here we show the results for 3 Hz as examples. With the proposed control method, the robot can follow the desired trajectory accurately. These are the baseline results. Aside from baseline 2 that relies on PID, every MPC-based method successfully tracks the trajectory under a low tracking rate, showing the strength of MPC for this task. Gaussian noise was manually added to the accurate feedback, with 5 mm sigma shown as an example. Even under this noisy feedback, the proposed method is still able to control the robot effectively. Meanwhile, all of the other baselines show larger control errors when the feedback is noisy. The robot was then controlled with a fixed level of tracking noise, while the tracking feedback rate was varied. Here 3 Hz is shown as an example. With the proposed method, the robot follows the desired trajectory accurately. All of the other baselines show larger control errors under this situation. The final experiment used the drug robot in a spine phantom workspace, mimicking drug delivery surgery inside the spine. The robot traveled through the epidural space to the target, paused, then flipped its heading and returned. Although the 2D projected video makes it appear that the robot touched the boundary while flipping, in reality the lateral width of the epidural space provided sufficient clearance. The root mean square position error was 1.18 mm, and the orientation error was 7.6 degrees. The primary contributions of this study are development of magnetic field model with analytical representation, a novel control framework that reaches high accuracy under low rate and noisy tracking, and experimental validation through phantom studies.